If you have experienced something bad or very frightening and have developed psychological symptoms such as flashbacks, fears, sadness, or sleep problems, you may well be helped by EMDR, a proven and effective therapy. Suppose you've been confronted with a violent crime, a robbery, an accident, you've been bitten by a dog, or you've had to deal with sexual abuse or violence at home. Such a powerful experience is stored in your brain together with distressing emotions. Once such a memory is stored in your long-term memory, it can bother you for quite a long time. The disturbing memory keeps coming back unintentionally, for example, with feelings of powerlessness or believing that you are not worthwhile. EMDR therapy can help you get rid of these complaints and feelings. At first, an EMDR therapist will ask you to recall the disturbing experience and to notice the emotions and body sensations that accompany the memory. This brings the memory from your long-term memory into your short-term memory, also called working memory. Then the EMDR therapist will ask you to focus on the memory and emotions. From there, the therapist will move his fingers in front of your eyes rapidly back and forth and will ask you to track his fingers as best and as fast as you can. By keeping a traumatic memory in your mind and tracking the therapist's fingers at the same time, your working memory has to process a lot of information at the same time. This overloads your working memory and the image becomes blurred or harder to recall and loses its emotional charge. When the emotional charge of a traumatic memory lessens, it also becomes easier to think differently about the experience. You will notice this because you feel less powerless or you start to feel more worthwhile again. The intrusive memory is now distant and you feel less anxious, you feel less depressed, you sleep better, and because you have managed to leave the experience behind you, you start enjoying life and looking forward to the future.